Hello, so I am Maurice Edu, the founder of Parrot, and I will present you Anafi AI, our new drone. At Parrot, we like very much to do the drone looking to the biology, and this is Anafi AI, a new species of Anafi drone. I think a species that you will see something that it is you haven't seen before. We do this drone for professional use. This drone is to do jobs. And we think about doing the jobs on the most easy way possible. And this is why we have added new features and new functionalities on the drone to make it more easy and more powerful for the professional. One of the key issues and the new features that we have put on the Anafi AI drone is to replace the radio, the classic radio. We have added a 4G radio. This means that now with the 4G link, the connection between the drone and the pilot is much more secure. It is possible to fly around buildings, to fly in places where the radio environment is very noisy, and the link between the pilot and the drone will be much more strong. There is also not more distance limitation, and for countries where flight beyond line of sight is authorized, Anafi AI permits those flights. We have done the 4G able to work with any network configuration, low bandwidth and more bandwidth. It works with any SIM card. You don't need a special subscription, and it works with your telephone, the phone that you put inside on the top of the remote controller. So also we will speak about security of the 4G. The other domain where we have worked a lot and invest a lot is a new camera. This new camera brings HDR10 video mode, which is very important for the video. I believe that drone video are difficult to do because very often you are against the light. And with HDR10, you have a dynamic that permits to have a very good color in the sky and a very good color in the ground when you take images from the drone, which is quite difficult to take. The other feature of this camera is the 48 megapixel sensor, and this brings a lot of accuracy to the images. This is an example of a picture taken at 5 meters of a telecom tower, and you see the level of details that we are able to provide. Anafi AI is based on this very particular 4-axis gimbal, a gimbal that permits to look at 90-degree down and 90-degree up, and to have a very stable image even with a lot of wind. This gimbal is the idea that we are taking from biomimetism. The gimbal carries two cameras, the main camera and the stereo camera. And this is the idea of having, like in the biology, you don't have sensors, you don't have eyes all around your body to be able to walk and for the birds to fly autonomously. So we have taken this idea to be able to have only one camera, able to look at in every direction to make the obstacle avoidance working in every direction. This is an example of the occupation grid of this camera during a flight, an autonomous flight into a forest. The camera reconstructs in 3D the grid of occupation around the drone. The Parrot drone, they are made for photogrammetry. They are made for mapping. Here we have an example of a 4 kilometers power line map with the drone. And here we have an example of a telecom tower reconstructed by photogrammetry. And you see the accuracy of the images we provide for the user of the drone. Very important in the design of this drone is to be able to make more easily the photogrammetry function. So we have developed the one-click photogrammetry for buildings. We provide the database, the OpenStreetMap building on the application. The only thing you need is to click on the building. The flight planning is done automatically, and then the drone fly and send the images to make the 3D for your photogrammetry. So you don't need to be a specialist of photogrammetry now to do the photogrammetry of buildings. The 48 megapixel sensor gives an accuracy of 0.5 centimeter at 30 meters. And here I show you the photogrammetry of a full city done with Anafi AI. You will see on the left, it is the image taken by the video during the flight. And here, what you see is a 3D reconstruction with a very high accuracy permitted by the camera of Anafi AI. The drone takes 1 image per second, which is twice faster in photography than the competition, and the drone is compatible with any photogrammetry software suite in the market. The ability of Anafi AI to send the image through the internet directly to the cloud during his flight makes the photogrammetry much more easy. You don't have any more to copy the data from the SD card to your computer and to send it to your cloud to compute. Okay. Another thing very important on the top is the idea we have of the robotic for drones. What we think is the drone, they are you need there are the possibility to develop specific flight missions, specific use cases, and for this we provide an SDK. On this SDK we have added a new very important module which is Air SDK. Air SDK is the ability to put your software, for the developer to put his software directly into the drone. You can write some code in C or in Python. Inside the drone, you have access to all the sensors, the EMU, the cameras, but also the depth map, the occupation grid, and all the functions of the autopilot. And this permits to make new missions, new use cases for the drone. In the example that I will show you autonomous flight done around windmills by one of our customers. To do this, on the top of the SDK, we provide a simulator that permits to flight your own code hours and hours to debug your code and to develop your own robotic feature on Anafi. Then, to make it more fast and more professional in the development, we have put in open source our main application in the iPhone and on the telephone. So it will be in open source. Any developer, a professional developer or a student, will be able to use the standard application of Parrot and to add his own features on this professionally developed application. So all of this, we do it because we believe that drones are a part of an ecosystem. In this ecosystem, Parrot, we have fleet management software, mission planning, public safety platforms, surveying and mapping, and we have a lot of partners who develop software. This is a Pix4D software for inspection. This is the SkyVisor software that permit to fly autonomously around the windmills. This is a software for advanced flight planning and software for fleet management from our partners. To be able to make this happen and to make this professional, we have worked a lot on the cybersecurity. The cybersecurity on Anafi drone is designed inside the drone. We have had a chipset, a secure element, a chip who contain the digital keys, the public and the private keys, to be sure that the security operation are done on a specific place who cannot be hacked and cannot be accessed by any developer. This sensitive information permits to check the software integrity. Parrot signs his own software, so we are sure that no one is adding or putting some unknown features. And also our developers, they can sign their own software and they can be sure that no functionality, unknown functionality are added on the software. Also, we have a strong authentication on the 4G sequence. Through the 4G, you can only use your drone, nobody can access to your drone, and the transmission between the drone and your telephone is encrypted. We sign the picture, that means the picture, you can be sure it has been taken by the drone and it has not been modified between the moment it has been taken and the moment that you receive or you take on your server. And also very important, Parrot follow the GDPR regulation. I mean, we take a lot of care of the data of our customer, and also we make our code auditable by security organization to ensure that there are no hidden functionalities on the Parrot drone software. So this is our new drone, Anafi AI, a cool drone, a drone who I think is very intriguing in the design, who have been done with this gimbal that carry the stereo image in all the direction for autonomous flight, and the main gimbal that can move in all the direction to take the pictures. The drone is foldable. It follows the European and American regulation for less than 900 grams drone. It's operable in less than 1 minute. It resists to the rain, so it's really a drone to be used daily by professionals. It comes with a new Sky Controller 4, I think very neat design, who have no apparent cable, who is able to carry a large telephone and small tablets that makes the experience very nice. So thank you very much. And this is our new drone for professional, carrying a large ecosystem of functionality with autonomous flight, and for the first time the 4G that permit to fly the drone on a very robust manner anywhere in any distance. So thank you very much.